This is Yvette Burton from Herndon, Virginia. I'm an artist presenting work in the Grand Rapids Art Prize competition. My art expression is entitled Summer Dance. The beat of the drums will begin and Baba will tell us the history of the dance, its meaning, its culture, and the richness to express through life, a planting of the seed, the sun-kissed harvest, and royal celebrations. Rows and rows of us will begin to dance across the floor. My friend would say to me, "Smile," because the ancestors are looking towards us. You just wanted to be brighter. You just wanted to be stronger. You wanted every movement to be perfection. You wanted to be the light. This is the summer dance, a dance of celebration and life. This legacy is celebrated as a sculptured canvas in oil, formulated from raw canvas, molded into shape, and stroked with 5 to 6 layers of paint and movement. As big as the dance, this art mirrors in size, 4 foot by 7 foot. You can have your own experience of its expression and inspiration by visiting it at its host venue, Holiday Inn, downtown, 310 Pearl Street Northwest. It's been a pleasure to share with you the inspiration of the summer dance. I think I can hear that drum now. Don't you want to join me in the dance? Celebrate with me by not forgetting to vote starting the week of September 21st, 2011, online, in person, or text messaging up with 47761. Again, that's 47761.